Evansville's newest design engineering firm. It is Envolve Engineering, and we're going to hear from these folks in just a couple of minutes. But Envolve Engineering is led by a group of local talent with more than 68 years of combined experience in the automotive and consumer goods industries. Envolve Engineering is exactly the type of high-tech firm that we need in Evansville. They will attract customers from all over the world and have tremendous potential for growth. Envolve is starting with 9 employees and hopes to employ 20 by the end of 2014. These are design engineering jobs. We hope Envolve will continue to grow and provide jobs that will help us retain and attract other engineering graduates to our city. The startup of Envolve demonstrates how supporting new business incubation can turn a negative, like the closing of the Whirlpool Product Design Center, into a positive entrepreneurial opportunity for Evansville residents. I am deeply gratified at these gentlemen, their commitment to our city. The negotiations and talks with this group have been going on for a while now, and it's my pleasure to introduce Mike Stagg, who will tell you more about Envolve Engineering. Mike.
Okay, well, first off, I would really like to thank the Greg Wathen with the Economic Development Coalition, Deb Dewey with Gage, and of course the mayor with the City of Evansville for all the support that they've given us to make this day a reality. Also, I'd like to introduce my partners, Pat Borman. He is one of our engineering technical project leaders. Greg Horton is a staff engineer, and Garrett Strandemo, who is another engineering project technical leader with our company. So we're really excited to have this opportunity for Evansville. Like the mayor said, the news with Whirlpool is a negative, and we really hope to turn this into a positive in the community. There's a lot of really great talent that this community has in engineering, and especially with USI now and U of E having their great engineering programs, we really hope to grow the engineering talent in Evansville and retain it right here in our community and do good things. So, thank you.
This has been in the works for a while, as I said. Greg Wathen, who is the head of the Economic Development Coalition of Southwest Indiana, has been working in a collaborative fashion with Debbie Dewey from the Growth Alliance, and we'd like for Greg to step up, and followed by Debbie.
Thank you. It truly is a great day today. I know when Whirlpool decided to close the doors, I mean, these are all business decisions. Folks weren't too thrilled about that issue, but it's a reality. What we looked at and based upon that is how can we leverage that talent? Because talent really is the critical driver for economic development in the future. And we were just so happy that this team, this group, I mean, Mike and the guys, they're really truly the heroes here, because they could have literally gone anywhere. And trust me, they were being recruited by everyone to go in somewhere else. And so we think just being able to put that together. But what we did early on when Whirlpool decided to announce the closure of the facility, we said, okay, if we're in a position where we can leverage this talent, what kind of team do we need to bring together that if this comes about, that we can try to be in a position to leverage that talent? And I can't say enough about Debbie Dewey and what Gage has done in support of this, and all the other folks, from legal assistance to financial assistance to people from this community that came to the table and said, we want to help. We want to help try to leverage this talent. We want to help when opportunities exist. And I also can't say enough about what the City of Evansville has in Innovation Pointe. It's the very thing that was designed to do. From starting off with Debbie working to lure in SS&C technology to now Envolve here, this becomes part of the incentive that helps differentiate us as a region, as a community, from other communities who don't possess this kind of asset. So it's really critical for us. But as I said before, this is just a great day, maybe one of the really shining moments, starting off as a small company, but keeping the talent here and not letting it leave. That's so critical. So I want to thank them for believing and investing in our community.
Just real quickly, if you look over the last couple of years, the majority of the new jobs that have been added in Evansville-Vanderburgh County have come from existing businesses expanding and new business startups like Envolve Engineering. And to be able to have an asset, as Greg referred to, with Innovation Pointe, to makes that possible. We've got the city-owned building, it's a certified technology park. It allows us to provide some startup space that's affordable for these startup companies, and also to have them co-located with different resources that can help them and provide business mentorship. So having this asset is what allows us to do these kind of things and get these startups, and really this is where we're starting to see more and more jobs come from. The expansion of existing businesses and the startup of new businesses. So we're glad that we have the resources here in Evansville and Vanderburgh County to do that. And again, thank you guys for choosing to stay here when you could have gone just about anywhere else. And I think we're opening up for questions now, if anybody's got questions.
Are all 9 of the Envolve employees former work